Hi friends, welcome to the next JS series. In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to fetch all the items from the MongoDB using server action. Here, this is my database name, and here, this is my collection name. I have two documents right here. I have to fetch all the documents right here to the browser. I have to display using a server action. So for that, I have to have a connection with the DB first of all, and next I have a product model. In the product model, I have to create a schema. The schema has this many properties: name, description, price, images, category, and stocks. And here, this is my product model name. This is a product. This is a uh, singular, where the plural form of the product is created. Here the products. In this product, I have the documents. So once we have created the model, we have to go to the app folder. In this app folder, I have a products folder. In the products folder, I have a page.js. So in the page.js, I have to define one method. So this is a async, because this is a server component. We have to use a async. This is a await. I have a method called fetch products. So the fetch products function is defined in the action file. So I have to go to the action file. So in the action file, I have a method called fetch products, and this is a async. This is a server action we are using, so we have to use a directive called use server directive. One of the tutorial we have explained detail about the server actions. So this is all about without API endpoint. So where we have to first, we have to connect with the DB connect. This is from this DB connect we have already discussed in one of our tutorial. And once we have connect with the DB, and we have to import it right here. And we have to find all the document from the DB. This is my product models which we had seen now. So this is a product model. I have export this product. So this product model I have to import in this action.js. In the action.js, you could see I have imported the product from the product model. Using this product, I have to find all the documents from the DB. So the product model, I have this find using find method to fetch all the data from the DB. I store it in the variable called products. I have to return the product. If I have any errors, I have to throw the error. So once I return this products, I have to go to this page.js. So the products page.js. So it is this product is holding that particular uh, all items which we have in the database. So here the product is holding that value. Here, this is a server component. We are fetching the products from the server side. uh, we can't use any client component right here, because the images we have, and the client component we can't use in the server component. Here we are fetching from the server component. It should be the server component. So for that, we have to display using a map method. We have to use that, and all we have to create another folder in the products path. We have to create a folder called product list. In the product list, I am passing this as a props. So the props name is the product. So it goes to this particular product list. So in the product list, I'm just mapped all the products. So this is a props which I have get it from this products. So in the product list, I have a so this is a client component. So I have to use a use client directive. So here, this is my variable name which it is written here. The products which passed as a props is holding all the items which we have in the database. So right here, so I have to map all the elements, so all the properties. So for that, the key, it's holding the ID values. So I have to display the images. So for that, I have to import in the next.js. We have a next slash image. So we this is imported. We should import this image from this next slash images. Once we have imported this, In the source we have a product dot images. So in the product dot images you can see the product dot images, the kit dresses, it goes to product one. So here in the public folder, what are all the images we are going to display. So here in the public folder I have a folder called kit dresses. In the kit dresses I have a list of product images, so you can store it in the public folder. So this is my product dot image. This product dot image is in the database. The path is kid dresses product one, so that particular image will be displayed here. So product dot name is all about this product dot name. If it is a product dot category, it goes to this product dot category kid dresses. If it is a price, it goes and print the price of this particular product. So this is all about the product dot name, product dot category, product dot price. So once we have displayed, this is a button to view the detail of that particular product. So in this we have to have a link. So this I will explain you. And once we have give this map to this all the products, it is stored in the product array. I'm just printing all this in this product array. I'm just returning this in the dev. Here the product array. So once I have saved this, go to the browser. So go to the slash product. You can see I have a product images, product name, and product category, and the price of the product. But I having some. This is a view button, which you can see here. This is a view details. And once you go to this, I have a error. So this error is only plain object can be passed to the client component from server components. So for that we have to go to the action.js. In the action.js, I have to use a method called lean method to return plain JavaScript object instead of mongoose documents. So here you have to use a method called dot lean. So if I save this and go to the browser, if I just execute this again, this error message will disappear. So only the plain object only we can pass to the client component from the server component. So for that we have to use a method called lean method. So here you can see, so the what is the purpose of lean in Mongoose. It's usually if you are querying the database in Mongoose, the Mongoose documents object by default. But uh, this lean method, uh, if you are using the lean method, what it will do, it return a plain JavaScript object instead of mongoose object. So you can detailly read this and you get it. And go to this browser, it's still executing. So once it's been executed, this error message would disappear. And go to this, it's now compiling. And dot lean method. So in the action.js, I have some. So just give it 1 second. Dot lean. Yeah, I'm just save this and go to the browser, and it's still executing. So here in the product list, you can see I have in the button. You can see in the href. You have to use a href instead of two in the Next.js. Once I click this button, it go to the particular product list and product, and this is a root name. We have to create a product. In the product we will be getting the product id. So once I click this view button, you can see the product and the id. So which we will be seeing in the next tutorial, how to fetch a single item from the database. So it's still executing. So what happened? So the action.js, your MongoDB connected. So error is disappeared now. So you can see in this, so the MongoDB connector, the get products. So we are getting all the products. So here the your error is disappeared right here. This is not a correct. So, so in this I have to use a .jpg. So that's why it's showing error. So here I have to change this to .jpg. Then the error would disappear. So here, so once I update this, so updating documents. So because here I have stored in JPG, so here this is a web. So go to the browser and you click this. You will not get any error now. So go to the, so here you can get it's not getting any error now. So it's successfully executed. So thank you all of you.